Hey guys, welcome back to a Ghost Track Productions video. So, if you can't tell already, we're gonna be going back to the supposedly cursed forest. If you haven't seen my video, me and my friends went there, and I don't know how far I'm gonna be going, because if you can't tell, I'm just getting tired here. I am alone. So, there's been a lot of let's hear some up there. But there's been a lot of sightings here, mostly Wendigo sightings. And if you don't know what Wendigo is, it's basically a half wolf, half coyote type thing, and they've been seen here a couple times. That's mostly going to be a raw, uncut video. Well, I shouldn't say uncut, so there's going to be some cuts in it, but mostly uncut. And no music, no edits, or anything like that. So, I'm not going to be going far, because I really don't want to be here alone. This is the path we have to travel. Now, pretty much almost gonna be in the middle of nowhere, and I don't get much cell service, so it's very quiet if you can't tell, and very cloudy. My phone is at 48%, I think, so I really need to savor it. So this path splits. There's a path which takes you down there, and this path takes you up the hill. And I'm going to take the lower path. So I just need to see something up there. You can't see it right now. Just look like there's a black thing. I think it's just a piece of a log. So, we kind of cut through somebody's backyard. See all the houses over there. And then, we're on our own. Fucking bee scared the shit out of me. I don't know if you heard it whiz by. But, yeah, we'll be all alone. Okay, so, the path, it's on to go up here now. As you can see. To that person's backyard. I'm not really sure which way to get there. I think we're going to try going up, which is up here. As you can see, barely anybody up here. Very spooky. I don't like this that much. Like I said too, there's going to be barely any edits. If there were to be an edit, it'd probably be a little montage of me walking, but I don't know if I'm going to do that. But you can see the tree line is up there. Kind of hope nothing happens, because if I get hurt, I don't have any cell signal and I might die. So if anybody finds this video, the phone on my password is, I'm not going to say it. So, this path is going to take us right to the tree line. Again, I don't know how far I'm going to go, because I really don't like this. And I don't really know this path too much. I went up here once, so there's all these different paths that take you to different places. I'm going to try and stick on one path. So it looks like a path is splitting up here again. Also, here's this big canyon next to me right now. Oh. I'm not that scared really, because really, I do believe in ghosts, but haven't seen them with my own eye yet. So for the safety of me, I'm not going to be going to the actual woods. Stay on the perimeter. Fucking perimeter of it. So, looks like the path continues up here, which we're going to head up to. It's very quiet up here. That big canyon. So, looks like the path ends that way. So, since it ends back there, we're gonna go back down this way and I'll make a turn so I can go down a different path. Because that just ends back there. Looks like it's all overgrown. Look how fucking sketchy, man, these fucking woods are. I fucking regret this. Especially when we're alone. Or when I'm alone, I should say. I'm on high alert fucking now. Excuse my language, but you fucking hear that? Okay, I don't know what that is. Yeah, I don't know what that is. That sounds like... Yeah, I don't know what it is. That sounds like pig grunts and like walking and chewing. Like, I don't know. Hopefully that picked that up. I have no idea what the fuck that was. That was from down there. So here, guess let's go down this path. Right over here. See if we can hear anything. I'm not going through there. Yeah, I don't know what that was, guys. That was like... I'm hoping this camera picked that up. But it sounded like it was... like pig snorting and like chewing. I have no idea, man. I have no idea what the fuck is going on up here. Just heard a fucking scream. I don't know, I just heard a scream over there. I don't know if that was. Because this girl is in the cemetery. So it might have been them. I'm gonna do a loop bike down my bike because I'm done. I'm not, fuck this shit. I feel like I'm being watched. I heard what seemed to be yelling or like grunting and eating. Okay, so this path is gonna bring me back up there. Let's go up there, I guess. Oh, what the fuck, man? Hell to the no, I'm not doing this fucking shit. Okay, so I'm gonna have to walk in the weeds here because this path brings you up and around back into the woods. And the same with this way, so I'm gonna have to cut through here because I'm not going back into the woods, guys. I'm getting the fuck out of here. It was kind of quiet a little bit, so I don't think these speakers picked it up. But I don't know what the fuck that was. I gotta figure out how to get back down to this fucking little path. It sounded like somebody eating something, like pig grunting and then chewing. Like, I don't know if that was like that was like something eating something, or something that was just like water trickling down, making that illusion. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure what the fuck that was, guys, but I'm done. I'm not going back any further because I felt like I was being watched. I was hearing footsteps and I wasn't recording. And then I heard that, which I did record, which I'm happy. So, I'm gonna go down this way. Hopefully this is the right way back. I am lost as shit right now. Okay. I can see you, and it will be good. Fuck, which way do I fucking go? I think I gotta go this way. I don't remember. Alright, guys. Look at this swamp. So I think I'm on the right path. This should bring me back down to my bike. That fucking dog behind me. I don't know if you heard. I thought there was someone yelling up there in front of me, but it was a fucking dog back there. It scared me, man. I guess I'm on high alert right now. I'm gonna get the hell out of here after what I heard. Down by the creek in the valley. So, I gotta see you for now and get back on my bike. Okay, guys. Finally made it out of the cursed forest. Had the entrance to get out. I guess we'll meet back at the house and discuss there before we end the video. Alright, guys, so I made it back to the house. I'm not really sure what that was by the creek. To hear the sound, you might want to turn up, like, put headphones in and crank it up, but it almost sounded like it was pig grunting and then something eating something, so it was kind of creepy, but anyway, I'm probably not going to go there again. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.